Hello, this is Digiskool Kids, and today we are at Rayzon School. I am Princeton Odur, and I'm from Digiskool Kids. At Digiskool Kids, we teach students how to do coding and robotics. We use various methods and techniques and equipments to show the students various concepts of programming and robotics. So you might ask, what ages do we really start doing the coding and robotics? So normally from grade 1 to grade 3, we normally have them do the coding part. Since coding, it is block-based programming, and block-based programming, it's simply dragging one block on top of another to create a sequence on how the blocks operate. For example, here, you can see that we have a cat here, we have this our character, and then when we click on this block here, then it tells the cat to move 10 steps. So this is very simple, very basic for the child to easily understand, since the blocks also are categorized in colors. For example, here you can see different colors representing different blocks. We don't teach the child to write this code itself, but this is a representation of what the code is. So this is very easy for the child to grasp the concept of sequencing of the blocks and how the program runs.
Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Emmanuel Kibet. I am 12 years old and I am currently in grade 6. The only reason why I came to robotics is because it's my career, and I think it's very interesting to learn, because the world currently runs through technology. So if I can make my own technology and learn about the internet, I will be able to make my own resources and will save a lot of money in the process. Plus, it's fun to code and many other things. My career is to be the CEO of a tech company which runs technology which is kind of holographic. I want to learn about technology which work in 3D and other types of form of technology. Of late, we have been learning Scratch, and something interesting about Scratch, it is supposed to be the first thing you learn, and it's the most funnest thing that I've ever done in coding in this robotics class. It can also be linked to microbit. It also looks like microbit, and microbit looks like it. It is very fun, and it can help me make video games, animations, stories, and many more other projects. Robotics is an interesting place for us young children. It helps us to develop and learn more about the technology that we use, because children nowadays are addicted to technology, and the best way to help us learn more things is to try to embrace our love for technology and to help us personally to learn.
So some of the equipments we use are like for the robotics parts, we use such equipments. So this one here is called a McQueen. So the students, after writing their code, which is normally stored in this component, they can easily slot it on the robot like this one here, and then it will execute whatever it has been given, or whatever it has been coded. So such robots are the ones we use to educate the students on the robotics parts. So this robotics is also implemented together with coding, since how to control the robot is normally from the coding aspect. So another type of robots we can use, they can also build their robots. Like this one here, it has been assembled piece by piece, block by block. So depending on the project that the child wants to do, they can do various projects and various application code. So For example, here we have it is 16 projects in one. So the student can easily make the various projects and various applications with it. So it is not limited to only a specific type of project, but we try to encourage the child to have a very creative mind. And so we use these type of robots to really encourage them to do that.
Hi, my name is Johnny Minda Kisyangani. I am 9 years old and I'm in grade 5. I like robotics because you can make your own games and websites. In the microbit part, I like the coding part and also to see how the robots were moving when you put in the microbit. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The programming language is used to make websites. What I find interesting about HTML is the fact that you can test your progress and see what was wrong with it and improve it, and it's just fun for me. Mostly when I know the programming language nicely. I'll encourage you to join robotics because you can make apps and websites, and using those websites you can get some money.
So you might be asking yourself, does this really will it impact negatively on the child's performance in school? We will really like to tell you that it will not by any chance interfere with the child's academic, because the curriculum that we have, it is tailored towards the CBC program that you know it is being rolled out in school nowadays. So the program is really beneficial to the child. It will not be interfering with his grades or any other thing. And also we can have very many benefits of if the students start doing the program. The student can develop critical thinking, innovation, problem solving, very many aspects towards it. It can also be a gateway to a career, and it is at an early age, so they can develop their careers at a very early age. So those are some of the benefits that they will get when they start doing the program.